All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at SINDOX sent me over their battery that they're the power bank, and it attaches to the back of your iPhone. So it is Type C in the box, and it is a power bank. So let's get it open here. See what we get. Box is a little dirty. I guess I'm sitting in the warehouse, but yeah. The contents of the box. So it looks like they give you a little MagSafe thing here. You got some instructions. We'll check that out if we need to. So here is the actual battery pack. That's pretty nice. All right, so here we go. You can see there. Focus, baby, focus. There we go. So 5,000 milliamps, 19 watt, and 20 watt max. So it says on the website it shows 15 watt max, but this is the power bank. So let's see how this works here. Oh, there we go. There's your lights down there to kind of let you know it's got some juice to it, and there's your Type-C connector. I'm just gonna put this on, man. So if you didn't have a MagSafe situation going on, you could probably put this inside of your case or something like that. And then here's the Type-C to Type-C cable. Let's see if this just attaches, and yep, there we go. And it is charging. There it is. Yeah, and it's on there pretty tight too. So yeah, that's pretty good. So it looks like if it's green right there, showing green, it's actually charging. Yep, that is pretty nice, man. So this is a real brief video and to the point. This is a charger you can get for a lot less than what Apple is doing. This is $39, folks. Now, while it may not look a certain way, or you might not like the way it looks, it attaches really strong on there. It's on there, folks. And if you have a case that's MagSafe, it'll be even better. You don't have to worry about attaching it right to your device. So there it is, man. A quick look at the SINDOX battery pack charger for your iPhone 13 and 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max and 13 Mini. This should work with any of the MagSafe. So basically the 12 on forward, it should work. So this is actually pretty nice, man. I was considering getting the Apple version of this, and I'm glad I didn't, because now this is for 40 bucks, you get just as good a product, more than likely. This is your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.